Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox the September Lookfantastic box. This makes me so sad, like where is July? Where is August? Where are they? I don't want summer to end. Anyway, if you guys want to see what we got this month, then keep on watching. Even though it's pretty hot here where I live, it's that weird season like when you don't know what to wear, because during the day it's super hot and then in the evening it gets a little bit chilly. So yeah, still feels like summer, but also it feels like fall. I don't know. If you guys hear some noises, there's like a party going on outside, so that's that. I hope the mic won't pick that. So this is so cute. It says the birthday box, and I really like the colors, like the orange and the gold. Anyway, let's see what's inside. I'm so curious. I have no idea what they could possibly send. We have the info card, and this is the birthday edition. Something smells kinda bad. I think it's this. Let's see what's hiding in here. Something smells like I don't know, bad. Oh, I love this brand, ESPA. So I'm going to go with this one. I think we got 2 products so far from this brand. I can't remember, but yeah, I think so. So this is the Natural Beauty Inner Calm Pink Hair and Scalp Mud Intense Treatment Mask to condition and nourish hair and scalp. I love when they send hair products because I like to try new stuff. This is not sealed and it looks pink. It doesn't smell. So it looks like this. It has 30 milliliters. The camera won't focus. Oh, there you go, camera. Oh, so there's 2 options. Either you get this one or you get the Purifying Micellar Cleanser. Is right here, and this one retails for £5 and 10 whatever. The Pink Hair and Scalp Mud is a rich hair treatment that works to deeply condition to leave you with silky soft locks. Moving on. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 products this month. Are you kidding me? You guys remember when they accidentally sent me a face primer from Balance Me? Well, shh, don't tell them. I don't know if you're supposed to get 7 products this month. Let me count. So we have 6 products in the pamphlet, info card, whatever. So don't tell them. Anyway, next I'm going to go with the Illamasqua Beyond Powder Highlighter. Oh, okay, this is in the shade Beyond Powder. Okay, so I think this is a sample size because the original one looks like this. And again, there's 2 options. You can get either the Illamasqua highlighter or the Mary Luminizer, and this one retails for £10. Let's see the color. So this is how it looks. Beautiful. This is like a champagne gold highlight. You can't really see that on camera. It's very soft. It's not that typical boom in your face highlight. So I don't know, swatched it looks very soft, but maybe on my cheeks it looks crazy metallic. So this is cute. Moving on, I'm going to go with this little thing. I don't know what this is. It says Lookfantastic Beauty Box. Oh, it's a pop socket. So I guess this is a gift because it's not in the magazine. Anyway, I don't really like pop sockets. I'm a ring type of girl, you know. I like the rings more. I think they are a little bit more cute than the pop sockets. I don't know, that's just me. Alright, so it looks like this. As I said, it says Beauty Box Lookfantastic, and it opens like this. Anyway, thank you, Lookfantastic. That's nice. Moving on, I see a Jade roller. I do have one, so probably I'm going to give this to my sister. So this is by the brand Brushworks, and I think we got a brush before. Let me open this first. Ooh, to have to glue this down, but anyway, it feels pretty heavy, so I'm assuming this is real jade. I don't know, to me it doesn't sound like plastic. Let me know down below what do you think, but it doesn't sound like plastic. So this one retails for £9.99, and I do really like this type of rollers for the face. They are so nice. Soothing Jade is cool to the touch, reducing the appearance of pores, wrinkles, and puffiness. I know it works with the puffiness, like it does a great job, but I don't know about the wrinkles and pores. Don't lie to me, Brushworks. Don't lie to me, because I know the truth. So yeah, as I said, I'm going to give this to my sister, but I'm going to fix it first. This is cute. Like, wow, look fantastic. Anyway, moving on, I'm going to go with the Elemis Pro-collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream, Creme du Jour Anti-Rides. This was the sneak peek from the last month. This has 15 milliliters and retails for £30. This Elemis anti-aging cream uses the maximum concentrate of Padina pavonica, a powerful marine extract, to completely transform your skin. Yes, we want that. Its antioxidant properties improve collagen production to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. We definitely want that. Oh, this one is sealed, which is very nice. Excited to try this one. I hope it works to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I don't want them. I don't want them. Okay, moving on. We have a brush. Okay, this is by Luxie London, right? Luxie. Okay. Yeah, we got this one from Luxie, right? This is from Luxie. Yeah, we got this tapered highlighting brush. This is absolutely amazing. It feels amazing and it works so nice. I use this to set my under eyes. This one retails for £15. Okay, so yeah, as I said, this is a large shader brush, suitable for use with both cream and powder. Oh, probably I'm going to use it with concealer. No. This soft synthetic Luxie eye brush will be a great addition to your beauty toolkit. I don't know about that. I don't like this type of brushes, as I said, but it's cute. Thank you. Okay, last but not least, we have a lip liner. I guess so. This is by the brand Diego dalla Palma Milano. Mattia Labbra lip pencil. I don't know what that means. Probably it means lip pencil in Italian. Probably. So this is the number 80. It says right there. And it retails for £9.32. The shade is Antique Pink. Okay, let's see the color. It feels very soft. Very nice. So this is a matte lip pencil. The color is like a muted mauve-ish. I kind of like the color. So as we can see, it's not smudge proof. Alright, so this is all we got in September Lookfantastic box. I have to say that I'm super excited to try the face cream, the hair mask. Overall, all the products are okay. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please excuse the noises. As I said, there's some festival party, I don't know, happening outside and I can't control that. I hope the mic won't pick that. Anyway, let me know down below what was your favorite product from this month. If you got the same products as me, yeah, let me know down below. And the sneak peek for the October box is this by Thierry. What? This is the Baume de Rose Flaconette, whatever that means. I guess it's a lip gloss. This travel-friendly version of By Thierry signature lip balm, it's a lip balm, combines luxury and protection, infused with shea butter, rose flower wax, and vitamin E. Okay, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Hope so. I hope so. Please subscribe so I can see you in my next video. Please.